अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है इंग्लिश का डिस्कस करने वाला, वो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे अपने इडियम्स। ऑलरेडी हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कुछ इडियम्स। उसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट जो हमारे इडियम्स हैं वो स्टार्ट करते हैं। आपको पता है इडियम्स जो होते हैं वो हमने अपने पेपर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से सेकंड ईयर के हमने याद करने होते हैं। तो स्टूडेंट चलते हैं आज के हमारे लेक्चर की तरफ और स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारे इडियम्स। ओके स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पे देखें, जो हमारा नेक्स्ट इडियम है 372 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, अबव बोर्ड, यानी शक्को शोबा से बालातर। यू कैन ट्रस्ट हिम बिकॉज हिज डीलिंग आर अबव बोर्ड। आफ्टर वंस ओन हर्ट, अपनी पसंद के मुताबिक। ही परचेज द न्यू हाउस आफ्टर हिज ओन हर्ट। अंगेज द रेनी डे, मुश्किल वक़्त के लिए। ही हैज़ सेव्ड अ हैंडसम अमाउंट अंगेज द रेनी डे। At loose end, बेकार। After his examination, he is at a loss and does not know what to do. At loss, कुछ समझ में ना आना। Your question has put me in a difficult situation and I am at a loss what to answer. At a pinch, you can go home on foot. At a snail pace, सुस्त रफ्तारी से। The relations between Pakistan and India are improving, but at a snail pace. At a stone throw, my office is at stone throw from my home. At a stretch, एक ही बार, we should try to complete this minor project at a stretch. At arm's length, अपने से दूर रखना। Keep bad boys at arm's length. At cross purposes, गलत फहमी। I think we have been talking at cross purposes. At daggers drawn, दुश्मनी होना। They were at daggers drawn, but now they are good friends again. At hand, नेक्स्ट है at hand. At hand का है our examinations are quite at hand. At home, माहिर। Dr. Sajil is quite at home in heart surgery. At large, मफरूर। The police could not arrest all the criminals who were at large. At length, बड़ी तफसील से। We have discussed the matter at length and have found new facts. At loggerhead, लड़ाई पर कमर बस्ता। Unfortunately, the two friends are at loggerhead for nothing. At one's back and call, हर वक्त दस्तयाब। We are at your back and call in case of any emergency. At one's wits end, किसी उलझन की वजह से दिमाग शल होना। I am at my wits end in this difficult situation. At par with, हम पला होना। Our nation should try to be at par with the developed nations. At 6 and 7, अफरा तफरी। After the police raid, everything in the house was at 6 and 7. At stake, दाव पर लगना। After the reported scandal, the government's reputation is at stake. At the 11th hour, आखिरी मुमकिना वक़्त पर। The army reached at the 11th hour and saved the flood victims. At the end of the day, बिलाखिर, a slow and steady approach brings success at the end of the day. At the end of one's tether, जज्बाती तौर पर मुजहमल होना। He is at the end of his tether and he may beat you. Between the devil and the deep sea, दो यकसा नापसंदीदा चीज़ों में से एक का इंतखाब करना। While choosing between slavery and death, the defeated soldiers found themselves between the devil and the deep sea. Between two fires, इंतहाई मुश्किल सूरत हाल। The American policy makers are between two fires as they are facing the anger of the Muslims as well as of their own public. By all means, हर कीमत पर। By all means, I'll perform my duty. By and by, कदरे तखैर से। By and by, special children can develop their communication skills. By and large, I disagree with him on a few issues, but by and large, he is a very serious. Students, these are our synonyms, idioms. So students, be prepared and be ready for your examination. I hope so आप सबको लेक्चर की समझ आ गई होगी। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अल्लाह हाफिज़। थैंक यू। टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर